Ontario, Canada, January 12, 2024. With a blizzard of full force whiteness the entire city.
Selamat malam dari kota Toronto. Ini lagi ada snowstorm.
A winter storm brought heavy snow and strong winds across the Toronto area and a wide swath of the province Friday evening. For the Toronto area, the snow, which was forecast to be heavy at times, transitioned to rain later Friday night as temperatures rose above freezing. The weather agency issued a winter storm warning for Toronto on Friday night. They calling for 10 to 25 centimeters of snow by Saturday morning.
Hey there everyone! This is Irish Estrella from Toronto, Canada, and tonight is
The warning was lifted just after 11:30 p.m. Surfaces such as highways, roads, walkways, and parking lots may be difficult to navigate due to accumulating snow. Visibility will be suddenly reduced to near zero at times in heavy snow and blowing snow, the agency said. Visibility could be reduced because of strong wind gusts up to 70 km per hour resulting in blowing snow, it added. Environment Canada said much colder Arctic air will settle over the region in the wake of the system. A multi-day lake effect snow event is forecast for areas east of the Great Lakes, bringing more snow to some communities. A winter weather travel advisory for the city in place for much of Friday has been lifted. In Toronto, the city said it will deploy plows to expressways. Major thoroughfares after 2.5 centimeters of snow had accumulated on the residential street after 8 centimeters.
Trời, bão tuyết, 8 giờ tối rồi, đổ tuyết từ 7 giờ rưỡi cơ nè.
Some northern stretches of the GTA, including Carlton, Northern York, and Durham regions, were under winter storm warnings on Friday night. Those areas could see up to 25 centimeters of snowfall in relatively short period of time, Environment Canada said. Police Highway said Friday night was great night to stay if people didn't need to be on the roads. Smith urged drivers to have their full headlight system on, keep a firm grip on the steering wheel due to wind gusts, and give themselves a lot of distance behind traffic on the highway. The TTC said it planned to deploy extra employees and maintenance vehicles throughout the transit system. This to spread salt, clear snow from surfaces, and keep signals, switches, and overhead power operating due to the storm. The transit agency said it will also deploy more buses on a route-by-route basis to preserve surface in areas where there was heavy snowfall or weather conditions that result in slowdowns, detours, and disruptions. The TT said it will monitor 56 stops in areas where snow was known to affect bus service. Customers were advised to check if their bus stop is in service before they head out by looking here. The transit agency said Trans would continue to provide service, but customers could experience delays and additional wait times due to snow. Meanwhile, Toronto and Region Conservation Authority said 5 to 10 millimeters of rainfall was expected to follow the snowfall from midnight to 6 a.m. on Saturday. Flooding is not expected to the RCA watershed. However, due to the total rainfall expected and partially frozen soil conditions, all the RCA's rivers within the GTA may experience higher than normal water levels.
Hujan turun salju dari jam 8 malam
and greater flows for a couple days, it said. The RCS said people should avoid all recreational activities in or around water at this time as conditions can change rapidly. People are also urged to exercise caution if they must be around any bodies of waters, rivers, or stream, as well as the Lake Ontario shoreline.
Still a snowstorm, so just sharing with you guys.